Today is a really special day. We are here, Path Academy. Thanks for your time in our amazing next virtual graduation. We want to present today our BSS title, next graduated professional, Simon, that want to present his final project. And we were having a really amazing training during the last months with him. And Simon also want to show to the world the amazing work he was doing and his excitement with technology and also architectural design, how much he liked. But the important, we will do an introduction with his project. We will have also some questions and answers with him, and we will also talk about the next professional steps and how the future is coming with this new working methodology with systems. And of course, we want to remember you that was our 10 promotion that we are now closing with our amazing BSS graduated. The 11 promotion is coming on next week. We have a last seat. So if you want to join with Simon to our BSS Net, feel welcome. Check our website, send us a message and book your place because we'll be not so long open for all of you. So now we will jump to the amazing work of Simon. Let me share the screen with you and let's enjoy with his amazing project and also with him explaining how was this nice travel. So let's get ready for SUBSTRATA from Simon and the amazing explanation at the end and now his great project. Thanks a lot. First of all, bravo, Simon. Congratulations. Amazing.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. And now, yes, please share with you, with the world, how, please present yourself and then your project. But thanks a lot and congratulations. Today is your day, Simon. Thanks.
Thank you. So hello guys. I'm Simon Weber. I'm working for Beryl Kreutler as a competition architect. And like the last 5.5 months, I did the BSS title with Nora Andres, and it was a beautiful experience. And now I'm going to explain a little bit more about SUBSTRATA, what the idea was and everything. So the main idea of SUBSTRATA was to create like a wide range of urban design scenarios out from 2D polylines. And the starting, like the base of the tool was the plot of the the main plot of the where the buildings are standing. So and then like the plot is subdivided in different areas using like the number, the angle, and the size. And then in combination with the 2D polylines, they are like in this point the footprints of buildings. With this connection, it was possible to create like a lot of urban design scenarios. And all variations are based on a defined total area, which the total like keeps constant, like the volumes are scaling. If I, for example, add a few floors or less floors, like the total area always remains the same. And then on this basis, I wanted to add like more representation. So like there is also the facade, and This is also like everything is parametric and is like directly connected to the volumes. So if I want to change something in the facade or in the volumes, like everything is connected and is changing at the same time. Also, if I add another building or I'm gonna change the plot, whatever, so everything's changing at the same time. Like how everything is created, like the 2D polylines, the footprints of the buildings, they are created in ArchiCAD, and then they are connected to Grasshopper, and then from Grasshopper, like the script is running and is creating like as I said, like the urban designs and the facades. And from there, I can bring like the BIM output back to ArchiCAD. So I have a complete BIM model in ArchiCAD. And for the end presentation for this video, we did it with Twinmotion. So I brought the whole BIM model to Twinmotion, and I did this video at the end. Yes, this was more or less to the SUBSTRATA. And now maybe a little bit about the building system title I did. It was a really nice experience. It took 5.5 months. Like from the starting, you get to know like how is Grasshopper working and how is the connection working between Grasshopper and ArchiCAD and what you can create in each program. And then from that on, it's really like interesting and super nice. The different challenge you have over this past months. So you're gonna learn a lot. Also, what I really liked about is that Nora and Andres are every time here for you. If you have a question, you just can ask them, and they're gonna answer you on Sunday at 10. Yeah. But also, like the nice thing about the challenges that you can work and create like kind of your own stuff, and you can learn your own language for Grasshopper. And I think for me, this is one of the main goals or the main achievements of this BSS title. It's not like the end product you saw right now, the SUBSTRATA. It's more like for me, so that I'm able now, or I slowly get used to it, to creating this kind of tools. For example, here you see in SUBSTRATA, you only see like the small part, the representation part in Twinmotion, but it's like much more behind. You need to script a lot. You need to understand the whole Grasshopper language. And I think this is really like the best part you can have there. Also, I want to thank for sure Nora and Andres for what they did in the last months for me. Also for the final project. It wasn't easy to do this, and they were helping me a lot over the final period. And yes, for sure, everybody that is a bit interested in doing this BSS title, just do it. I think you can't regret anything. So yes, I think that's my point of view. Thank you very much.
Thanks again, Simon, for the nice explanation and all the different angles and point of view as you were already learning. It's really nice what you share, no? That of course we are presenting those videos, but all the back thinking, all the logic, all the learns to arrive to that result, right? That's the reason why we spend these 5.5 or 5 months not together, because that is a shift in the way how we think on building projects. You know, we are used to use ArchiCAD or BIM software or even Rhino, and then we need to switch to a systematic way of working, algorithmic thinking, or putting actions with nodes, with wires, understanding also the essentials of mathematics behind the computer and CAD and 3D modeling. and all these things are the steps that make you grow. But for us, the best thing is what you said, that this is not about us, it's your logic. No, what we want to share with you professionals is you need to make that way of working yours. We need your identity and way of working. We need your personal touch in this world of design, because it's a beautiful thing. People love design, people love buildings. It doesn't mean they use computer, they love, or they lost this romantic way of watching design and building management, right? It's totally opposite, at least for us. It's much more levels of joy, much more levels of deepness in the design process, and much more level of understanding of the beauty, proportion, and relations of the buildings, as we are doing since so many years in the history. It's when we saw these beautiful facades from the history. We walk here around Switzerland in Zurich. We have these amazing buildings, and when you watch this beauty, it's full of geometry, relation, music, rhythm. Is so many things, so much complexity in a simple physical three-dimensional output, that what you just say, Simon, all the work behind to arrive to that point, the process is the beauty at the end of how we are defined like professionals, and what make us to get more mature and better. No, and to expose those things in a language from the computer that we can share with each other, no, because we are learning kind of a new language together, and then we can exchange, we can put it there, we can give you tips and also support or ideas from your side, from our side, in real time, no, and we can discuss and put there in a place. And of course take hard work, because we are used to a sketch, to our ideas, to our brain, and now we need to learn a language that millions of people can also add value, no. That's hard work. This is computation at the end of the day. But when we do it and we are there and we pass these first steps that they are the hard one, no, when we are a bit frustrated with the results, we want to achieve that. This when things start to roll is much more fun, and things they are just beautiful, and we just want more. And this is what we want with the professional. No, they get engaged, they want more, and they are ready to eat the world with their new skills, and to grow and to find more professionals, more projects, and more challenge in their personal lives. No, this is what make us wake up each morning with the illusion not to have more people here, and share with them this something that is for us essential since so much time.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Simon. The words, they were really beautiful and nice, and we really appreciate it, because also the training with you was really good. It's always, you guys, you have professional lives, you have a lot of challenge to deal during this time. No, we are humans, and there is a lot of things that we do in parallel, and that make the whole training even more complex from your side. But it's amazing when we finish, when we are in this point, in the graduation, and you are proud to finish all this loop. But yeah, this is just the start of a new era that will continue, and just excitement, and even more what's going on now with technology, computers. If you like to work like that, you will enjoy much more in the next years, because things are changing by days, by weeks, quite a lot. And if you get these waves, with your new surf board, then you will have much more fun. And this is what we want: people having fun and being happy, working like professionals. That's our main goal. Yeah. Great. And now let me ask you, Simon, we have a lot of curiosity, but I think it's important also for the new professionals coming, or the professionals also in the offices, no? How you see now to bring this technology, what you learn in the normal day work, no? How you see this process. We know it's hard because it's a big shift, no? Return the training that, of course, we are prepared. We have the platform. We have a lot of also years, designing this gradual learning. And of course, now is a big jump to the Grand Canyon, with the offices and implementation and projects. We always recommend you guys start by little small pieces. I don't know, one facade, one calculation, as you were. It's fantastic the part that you share. No, I keep my area, I keep my calculation, but design is just changing. I think that's quite amazing when you need to have this level of control for competitions and for first stage of project. But we want to know from your side, what is your opinion, how you see the next steps, and also bring that to the professional projects and also the competition world that is also really aggressive, time demanding, and and quite strong. Yeah.
Yeah, I think first of all, like it's important to if you do like changes, I mean you need to invest some time, and also if you're gonna change your workflows, maybe I mean you a little bit have the mindset of just doing it, because if you're thinking a lot of times, oh no, maybe I'm not that fast anymore, or I need to create a lot of scripts, so I need to invest a lot of times. But I think if you just learn it once and then you just starting to use it, you're getting more useful to it too. And then I think it's super easy. And I mean, you just need to get to work on these workflows. And for me right now is the point where I overthinking like my daily work processes, also because of the BSS title. So where I can optimize, or where I can like start creating a lot of more, for example, in the competitions, more variations, or I can produce faster variations, whatever. So I think the next steps for me are more and more like to bring my like what I learned now in the BSS title to bring to my daily work life. So yes.
Yeah, that's a big step. We always say with you guys, we are always there because we love that more people, offices are coming and they get fluid and they start to push this technology as much as possible, because also we like to learn with them in the future, know what they are doing, how they are working, what they are building up, to bring all the professional ideas they have from years and years of projects, as the offices they are having. There is so much potential only on all this work to bring this work back for the next competition and to have a nice data management, from a start. All these things is really powerful, and we want you guys get in advance as soon as possible, as we say. But we would like to remark, in special from Simon, he presents really one small part of his creativity and the idea that he's having, and we have here a really powerful professional that he have really great ideas about how to implement these things in the next steps and also phases of the architectural process. And we are sure that now, so with more time and space, that a nice office will share with him, that will make him grow, and the results that will be there really fast, because your ideas and what you would like to achieve is really clear, and it's just a question of time, and pushing together, working together as the offices do, to bring all these great things back. Yeah, so we are really excited, and we would like to see these things as soon as possible from your side and your office. And if not, we will be always also there to support and push together, because it's something really important for all of us. I don't know if there is some last questions. If not, we will. Okay. Okay, maybe just the last one for the closing part.
Mhm.
Maybe send me one component that I like it a lot from Grasshopper.
One.
Yeah, one. I mean, you can say more, but at least one that you say, okay, that was great.
I mean, as the name it says from my final project, SUBSTRATA, so the substrate component.
That was a good one, right?
Yeah, I mean, for the final project, it was really nice to work with it. So
Yeah, it
because
is
it's
true.
able to create a lot of different variations. So
It's true. We love also this component and the urban
also
planning touch is having, yeah.
also what I really liked about is if you add like more footprints or more buildings to one script. So sometimes when they are like connecting, if there is a connecting to each other, like it's creating like one unique building with like a specific footprint, and sometimes it created some really nice volumes.
Hmm,
So
that's nice.
that was
And the
really
next,
nice.
of course, is to go into these algorithms that I think is also a key point. When we start to generate our own design algorithms, and we go into this direction. There is so many great work from, I don't know, 70s, 60s, even 80s. So great mathematical design books, computational books, and there you can find really beautiful algorithms like SUBSTRATA, no, that can also support in our projects. And to learn all these things when you love design and geometry as you do, it's always a pleasure. So yeah, that's I'm sure you will have a nice next steps in this direction and the geometrical background, because you will find really cool stuff, and also can support AI. All these things ongoing support us a lot to find these mathematical concepts, for design. This always really exciting to use and mix this technology. Yeah, great. Thanks. Nice to see you with this nice background. There was one point really beautiful with two airplanes crossing and doing a really nice drawing in the sky. Thanks all of you for being here today. But the most important, thanks a lot, Simon, for this nice experience the last months, to keep your professional work always and answer and being there, even 10 p.m., whatever time you were there and also working. So we want to say you thanks for this nice time together. And yeah, we just see a lot of potential in your profile, and we want to see results as soon as possible. And if not, we will be there to push a bit some key keynotes.
Yes.
Okay. So I don't know if you want to close with something thankfully, family, friends, colleagues, or just life.
Thanks to live. No, thanks to you guys. You made this course, like this BSS title, super amazing. I really enjoyed it. And really thank you very much to you, Andres, and for sure to Nora. Greetings to her. Yeah, thank you very much.
Nora
Was
also
a
send you a big hug and congratulations. She's also really happy
yeah.
that, yeah, she would like to be here. Probably she will be soon, but she remind you and the nice work you made together for sure. So thanks all of you for your time. As we say, we are closing our 10th edition of the BSS title. Now is coming the number 11. We are Path Academy, and we are really excited to have more professionals coming like Simon and showing his great skills and the hunger to learn and go even deeper into computation. So thanks all of you for your time. We will close for today, and we just want to wish you a nice afternoon. And yeah, ciao.